Hey guys, the Daily Drive here. Does turtle wax headlight lens restorer really work? Well guys, on both of my cars, they're both old cars, they're like 90 model vehicles, and the headlights were just glazed over with like a yellow tone, and you actually could not even see at night really because the lights were so glazed over. So let's look at, I did it about 2 months ago. Here's the first headlight. I did this one. Now I will tell you, as you can see guys, it's all glazed over again. It does not really work that well. It looks good when you first do it, but it's only been, well, I'm guessing about 2 months now. I think it was been about 2 months actually, and I don't know if you can tell or not, but no, it's pretty good. And like I said, if I look, see how glazed over it is again. And the thing is guys, I do not drive at night. I don't drive at night, so my headlights are not on. But as you can see, it's actually glazed over again. And like I said, it looked good when I first did it. But let's go around here. I'm going to try to show you this car. Now, if I back up from it, you can see the headlights look pretty decent, but they are beginning to glaze over again. As you can see, that's glazed over a little bit. And like I said, it looks good. Basically what you're doing, it does is you're pretty much waxing the headlight, and once the rain and all that washes it back off, the light just glazes back over again. So, but see, I mean, if you can tell, the headlights are glazed over again on this car and the other car. And like I said, it looks real good when you first do it. So I'm gonna give you a good little shot here of this one, and I'm gonna do it again and show you the difference. Okay guys, well there you go. I just applied one coat to it, and the headlight, okay, as you look at the one I've done, see how shiny it is, clear. But then if you go here, this is the one I haven't done. See the coat, the glaze over? Go back to the other light. So see how shiny it is guys? It looks good when you first do it compared to that one glazed over, and that had been done a couple months ago compared now. So guys, I would say that this product is not worth the money. Like I said, look at that, it looks good right now, but in a couple of months it will be glazed back over. Now they do have a product in here, and I used this product. You got the spray lubricant, and you got the inside the box there some stuff you put on it so it won't come back. But I did that. I went through the whole instructions, and they are right though about one thing. It does make it look good for a little while, but then it goes back to being that. See the difference? So guys, I would say that turtle wax, as far as this product goes, is a big old fail. Don't waste your money on this particular product. It's not any good. And I know that they will claim that I didn't follow the instructions, but I did. I followed their instructions to a T, and it came back. It says heal and seal technology increases clarity, brightness, and visibility, But the seal, guys, the seal didn't work. You know, the glaze came back on them. So anyway, guys, don't waste your money. This is Turtle Wax Headlight Lens Restore. It averages around about 15 bucks. So basically I just threw away, well, I didn't throw it away. For a couple months I've got a nice looking headlight, but it quickly goes away. Once the, you know, the weather and rain and all that washes the, basically what this is a wax. I mean, you could probably do better just buying a can of WD-40 and just apply it, and it'll stay like that shiny for a while until the WD-40 gets washed away. And that's the same way with this product, guys, so don't waste your money. Once again, Turtle Headlight and Lens Restore, or Headlight Lens Restore. Don't waste your money, guys. Thank you for watching.